Energizer bunny style, critical like X-Files. Can't stop, won't stop, cornerstone in textiles. Never making money foul, used to call me White Owl. Had to change the name cause the game going right now. Throw your hands up if you feel me, if you with me. Twisting up that sticky like some peanut butter Skippy. Never skipping foreplay, course with the wordplay. Haven't had a drink all day and I'm thirsty.
Me too.
Fill me up.
Time to drink like it's my birthday. I'm on it with these hater fucks for thinking in the first place. Hennessy and weed, that's just a remedy for me. 100% to you, that's just like 70 to me. I am getting established while I'm getting my cabbage. Trying to chill in my habitat, living life lavish. Do this for my family, forgetting my baggage. My words are outlandish, smoke the herb till it vanish.
Oh, I'm going there.
Going where?
I'm going all in.
Oh yeah, I'm going there.
Man, you going where?
Going all out.
This is the call out.
Come all out. Look inside my soul, you'll see I'm quantum mechanical, radical like Che Guevara on sabbatical. I laugh at all the dogs who think they rap is fanatically fantastic, when really it's super wax shit made of fake plastic, created to be drastically replasted by my elastic recasting of noise. But a fascinating sound, I'm the queen of the crown, the king of the round. I sing with the crowd, that's the world. I burrowed underground to release 12 quadrillion pounds of rhyme diamonds. I found them by rhyming in line with celestial time. You suckers think the universe is yours, ha! But really it's mine. Yo, I say being the reason for the reason in the sunshine. I be in the pyramids and giving you the hottest spot of herbal rocks, chopped into concoctions made of conscious thought. I'm not here to waste nobody's time, homie trying to cop.
Oh, I'm going there.
Going where?
I'm going all in.
Oh yeah, I'm going there.
Man, you going where?
Going all out.
This is the call out.
Now what you all about? Where are y'all at? This isn't the call out, then what do you call that? Take time to focus up and ease your mistakes. Sometimes things get broken, but these are the breaks. I break hearts, break necks, break records, break cartilage, break laws, break up, break a leg, I break a lot of shit. Take breaks, break fast, I break eggs for omelets. Give breaks, break bread, don't ever break promises.
Fire with these metaphors, spelling, yelling, hellish roars. Flames where I walk, cause I came through the devil's door. Screaming soul switch to serenity for centuries. Second guess suckers, subpar to these entities. Not a lot of maybe, but I'm crazier than Cujo. Buzzing like them killer bees on Beatsport Cartucho. You focused on that fool's gold, I'm focused on my crudo. Jamming on a blue note, listen to these new folk.